Check configuration before booting up. A host, a power cord, adapter, one probe. Before push the probe connector into the socket, ensure system was turned off. Press it tightly. Rotate the screw clockwise to lock up the probe connector. Turn the host upside down. Remove the 3 screws. Pry up the battery cover from the side. We can see our battery inside. No plug for safety when leave factory. How do we plug it in? The plug has 2 small angular face up. The convex side is mounted inward. After we have combed the thread, put the cover on and screw the 3 screws. Connect the adapter to the power cord. Plug the adapter into the DC power supply. This is DICOM port. These 2 is USB ports. Plug the power cord into the power socket. Thanks for watching.